what, 4 months or 5 months or 6 months?
Started in April of this year.
April of this year. So we're down, it's now December, okay?
Yeah.
So you started the program, you had a lot of apprehensions, you were scared.
Yeah.
And how many times has people failed you?
Over and over.
Over and over.
Yeah.
And what made you think that this was going to work?
You know, in my spirit, I thought there had to be something, you know, that would allow me to be healthy and allow me to be well, and I just wanted to try an alternative. The traditional medicine had failed me so much, and I just wanted to try and see if there was something that would help me to feel better.
And to feel better, again, from what were you suffering from the most?
Depression, fatigue. Still have some problems with obesity, but I'm still down about 15 to 20 pounds from where I was.
And it's stabilizing. You don't have the craving.
Don't have as many cravings, but mostly just low energy. You know, the goiter that kept growing and wouldn't stop growing. The fatigue after taking thyroid for years and it not working and feeling worse and worse every year. The low immunity, you know, every possible cold, every year I would get pneumonia.
And
for
this
years.
is already you haven't had any sort of infections at all.
I have, usually by this time of year, I've already had at least one cold as soon as it starts to get cold, and my body would have problems regulating body temperature, and my immunity would be so down that by now I would have already had at least one sinus infection. And last year by January I had pneumonia, and it was the same thing the year before and the year before that. So far I've not had any infection.
And actually, your outlook, your skin, your energy.
Absolutely, I had acne when I first came to see you. Adult acne that just wouldn't go away, no matter what kind of topical treatments I used, no matter what kind of vitamins I ingested. I just couldn't seem to get well.
And I wish I could do a closer up on your face. It's totally clear. You actually look great.
Thank you.
You really do.
Thank you.
So what would you tell somebody?
I would tell somebody, if they've been disappointed over and over again by the medical community, don't give up on yourself. You know, open your mind up to try, you know, homeopathic or alternative medicine, because, you know, it's helped me, I think, far more than traditional medicine. I mean, you know, the proof's in the pudding. Just give it a try. I would also tell them to not be afraid when it takes a long time, because it's a journey. You may not notice anything like the first month. In fact, you may even feel a little worse as your body starts to clear out, you know, and clean itself out. I remember when you had me to do the fast, and I thought I was dying.
I remember.
But after I finished the fast, I started to feel better. So it just takes time.
That is great.
Yeah.
And who would you tell them to see?
I would tell them to see Dr. Stephen Cohen.
And how far do you drive?
I drive about 3.5 hours.
Each way?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the talk.
It's worth it.